Hello, my favorite people. How are you all doing today? Oops, there's something in my eyes.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna open it now. So they have this inside. Oops, just fell down. Hello, my favorite people. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, beautiful feet. Where is the looking?
Yeah.
Maybe we should turn it.
One eternity later.
Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chikelly. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm talking nonsense. Let's start from the beginning.
You want to stop it?
So that you become part of this beautiful, beautiful community. And don't forget to click the notification button as well, so that you become part of this. Okay, thank you so much for all your support. Okay, so, and sometimes as well, some witch hazel witch hazel are distilled alcohol, alcohol. They oh God, why am I forgetting things?